Hey you guys, it's me, Miss Kimora Blac from RuPaul's Drag Race Season 9. I'm here at Sugarpill trying out new things. No more smoky eye, no more black eyeshadow, no more dark lips, no more red lips. It is soft, gorgeous, enticing, sultry. Stay tuned, you guys. Get ready, get marked, let's go. Y'all know I love black, and black's my go-to, but I'm here at Sugarpill to create you guys this beautiful, colorful, magical look. So today, my color theme is blue. I always wear black eyeshadow because it's just like perfect to just look gorgeous and slutty and dirty, and that's just like my freaking thing to go to. But today I want to look like a fairy. Oh my gosh. So today I'm starting with Taco. My favorite color is white because it's gonna literally brighten your entire eye out so you can feel fabulous. And I love makeup because makeup to me is just like the easiest way to transform your face into something else that you dreamed of. When I turned, what, like 16, 17, I just told my mom, I was like, Mom, I'm a drag queen. Love. And I mean, she's super drag friendly too, like she's all about it. So it was pretty, it worked out great. And I just really am like, to this day, thankful that I have this support system. So I'm still prepping my eyeshadow today. And this is probably an eyeshadow I've never done before. I think it's called like a spotlight, where it's kind of like blown out. It has like a little bit of color in the corner of the eye, and then in the middle it's just like this white fairy, pretty like blown out shadow. Being a drag queen, I didn't really have like a drag mom or like a big drag sister that can teach me secret ways and things. So I kind of just learned my ways through like magazines and inspirational pictures. I was always obsessed with like beauty magazines where you see like their face is just like glowy and bronze and gorgeous. Back then I would like just kind of practice my little glowy face like this, like, oh my gosh, I look gorgeous, just like this. I mean, it probably didn't look like the actual magazine. So I'm still applying the white, and I think I'm gonna add some white underneath. My biggest inspiration when it comes to my makeup and drag aesthetic has to be Pat McGrath. I love all the Ru girls. I mean, especially when it comes to drag, like I feel like drag right now, makeup is so intense and so like on trend and things like that. I mean, Kimchi, you have Raja, which is like beautiful all the time. Raven is like legendary. You know, girls like that, like I love, and I learn every single day. I'm the only one that knows like my face palette where I can play with different things, and I inspire myself every single day. So, I mean, look, my white's done. Taco, you did me good, yum yum. So now I'm gonna start adding the blues and going from like light to dark. So next I'm applying CANDYCRUSH. It's this really beautiful like shimmer blue, like it just looks so angelic, and I bet you it's gonna go in so super smooth. But I like to put frost first and then go in with the mattes because I feel like the blend is just so like sensual and like gorgeous. So I'm gonna start with the frost. Oh my God, Kimora, look at you. Oh, we going in. If I was on an island and I had to pick one makeup product I could not live without, it would have to be, can I just have like my contour and highlight? But I just love contour and highlight because it's so easy just to kind of wake up and just kind of like contour, highlight, and then go. And then you can turn that highlight into like this little cute like lip color and just kind of pop in the middle, contour the edges, so there's your lipstick, and you take your contour color, put in your crease, and there's your crease. Take your contour color and make an eyebrow and pull it out. So you just have like this full on makeup in like 5 minutes. I think that's pretty good. Actually, I'm gonna blow it out more. Just like that. So there's my frost, CANDYCRUSH, love. When your eyeshadow is as long as your eyebrows. So now my frostes are done. I'm gonna go just mattes now and just kind of blend and keep the colors really tight. This one's called Mochi, which is probably really special to me because that's like my dog's name. This color just now literally touched my heart because I love my dog to death. So now I'm just building the colors in really tight to my eye. I was first introduced to Sugarpill at DragCon. And obviously DragCon is like the celebration of makeup and drag and culture and, you know, anything that's just happy. I remember walking by Sugarpill's booth and I was like, what is all this pink? One point I was like, is this like Pheromone's house? Like, what is this? And I look and I'm like, oh my God, this is cosmetics. Like, this is like my tea. I'm excited. And I mean, as dark as I am, I was just like so fond of it because like I've never seen a brand that has so many color in one, like in one sitting. And the packaging is so beautiful and cute and like, I don't know, it's just, I was attracted to it. If I had to choose a brand that has, you know, that color and that theme, it would have to be Sugarpill. One of my favorite secrets too is having like a blank brush on the side that kind of just blend out like the excess of like color. This is definitely something I've never done before. I love it, I'm into it. The next one I'm gonna use is Home Sweet Home. It's so cute. It's like this Easter pastel, soft blue. So my best advice for drag beginners and makeup artists or anyone that wants to live the fabulous life, it's okay to look crazy. Like I remember like back in the baby Kimora days, I looked so crazy. I don't even think I had foundation on and I was in drag. I think all I had was like maybe mascara. I think that at the time that's all I could afford was this mascara and like this crazy like soft like chalky pink lipstick with no liner. My biggest, you know, like thing for baby drags is just kind of be okay with it. I know like when you start doing drag or you want to do makeup, you want to like just kill it right away and you want to look at your top A-list look. But it's kind of fun to just kind of like be a mess sometimes and just be okay with it. Like me, like I love those nights when I go through my phone and I'm like looking at like the oldest picture. I'm like, what was I thinking? But you know what? Don't blame yourself, blame your friends that were right there with you. And I was like, yes, girl, I live for you, I live for you. You look gorgeous, blame those. But at the end of the day, it's really like fun just to kind of like laugh at yourself a little bit. Like I looked crazy back then, trust me. Those are the moments where like you cherish the most. So my next color is Kimchi. Girl. This is so you, like this is kimchi. Smells like kimchi. This is all kimchi. Yeah, very much. And of course it's matte, I love it. And this color is gonna be super dope because I'm literally gonna take this in and intensify the top lid of my eye. And then hopefully you're gonna see like this beautiful, beautiful fade of blue. Oh girl, kimchi, of course. Look at that. So the signature Kimora look, oh my gosh. Big brows, bronze skin, super white highlight. I mean, white's probably not even a highlight, but like white. Black dark eyeshadow with like this little like signature like little pointy thing right here where I try to trick people that I have like this gorgeous Armenian eye. Smoke underneath, like even if you take your finger just kind of rub it like this, like you've just been crying on how gorgeous you look, like love. And then super, super nude lip. Stack like 3 pairs of lashes, like 3 pairs right on top. Like I'm talking about like put the first one on, blow dry it, let it just flare out and gorge, and then take the second one and just kind of place it on top and just blow dry it. It just goes out more. And then if you're feeling you're gonna be out past 2 a.m., just put another one on top and just blow it out so you have like this wispy like butterfly eye. And then take some individuals and just kind of place them where you want it. Get like a fierce setting spray and just kind of like shh. And you're just like, oh my God, I'm a showgirl and I'm here to buy a $10 drink and then repeat it the next day. Now like I'm loving so much color, so I think my signature might have to change a little bit, we'll see. And I'm just gonna keep this really tight here and I'm gonna blow out the bottom with it. So I had so much fun on RuPaul's Drag Race Season 9, and I can't be any more thankful that I got to do it because it was just something that I knew that I wanted to do because it was just a great thing to put in my drag resume. And I love drags, I love RuPaul, I love all the girls I was with. And like I think I wanted people to see that I'm an entertainer. I'm not just like this beauty queen. I love to perform, I love to lip sync, I love the art behind drag. One of my favorite things about drags is like I love beginning drag shows. Like they're like my favorite because it's just so imperfect and weird and crazy that I enjoy it better than a super perfected drag show. But oh my God, you guys, this Velocity Blue is like gorge. I know how to sew like 101. Like I can sew like a good 4-way stitch, press it together and sew. I can do that. Like I get it. I just don't really want to, and it's only because I don't know how to like cut patterns. And if I don't like the stone, I'm not gonna cut patterns, okay? Like I'm not gonna do it. Ooh, y'all ready for the green? This one is called Moneymaker. It's like this pretty frosty, like gorgeous leprechaun 4-leaf clover, and it's called Moneymaker, so who would not want that all over their freaking eye? Like, if you wanna make money, you gotta wear Moneymaker. That's just the way the rule is. Now, I'm gonna take Moneymaker and I'm going to blow it out underneath my eye, so it's all blue and in green, and then I'm gonna press some color like glitter and things on top to make it like just wispy and pretty. Oh yeah, this is so pretty. Moneymaker, I'm gonna make money tonight. Guys, like look at this green, it's so pretty. I love it, oh my God. So I kind of snuck around in the office a little bit, and this was lying around. This is Acid Berry, you guys, and MIDORI, gorgeous greens, matte, love. And I'm just gonna just shade in a little bit to kind of just intense the green, just like the blue on top. Oh my God, this green is so pretty. Perfect way to cover your bags. Just put green all over it. So this one's MIDORI, love it too. And I'm just gonna tense the edge a little bit just so it kind of like matches the top. Oh my God, you guys, I love this. I haven't even highlighted yet. I probably should have like not put eyebrows so I could just take the color and just like wisp it up. I feel like sometimes the eyebrows just stop you from just being free. I'm gonna start putting some glitter. I'm gonna do a blue glitter, and this one's called Lumi. And I'm gonna kind of just place this kind of like up top right here. Just kind of give it like that extra kick. It's kind of like metallic-y and like, it reminds me of like pretty fish scales. Who said wearing too much makeup is bad? I'm not wearing any makeup. This is just normal. This is like the eyeshadow you put on to go get a coffee. It's like, where are you going? Getting coffee. Gorgeous. I just want to like brighten my face just a little bit, so I'm just gonna go back to Taco and just kind of like put some white right here just to kind of pop out the shadow more. Oh my God, you guys, these lit glitter are amazing. All right, you guys, so the shadow's on. I love it. This is definitely not a look I've ever done before, and I'm so excited that I was able to do it here at Sugarpill. And I will say, like, I'm obsessed, but I'm also obsessed that there's no fallout. Like, I didn't really have to clean my eye as much as I do on a regular night at a show. My skin looks like it's just melted full of color, and I'm using these lashes called Plush. Plush is definitely like my go-to. It's just full of just sexiness, and it's fluffy, it's pretty, and I'm gonna put it on for you guys right now. I wonder what it's gonna look like with this blue. I've never seen lashes against blue, because usually when I have like black eyeshadow, you really can't see my lashes, so I usually put like 3 so you can really see it, but I think today I'm gonna go for 1. So you guys know, or you guys probably have heard that I had plastic surgery. I have not. You know, I said on the show that I had 1 syringe, and it was only because, and this is the truth, I swear, so anyone that knows me, they know this is the truth. I've had 1 syringe on my lip, and I was very angry because I didn't really see like an outcome. When I got the syringe, I kind of forgot about it. Like, my lip looks like my birth lip. But other than that, my cheekbones are real, and I know people have, you know, I know I have cheekbones, and they're so annoying at times, because sometimes, like, when I want to buy like a pair of sunglasses, I literally have to bend them this way because my cheeks are so big, and it sits on my cheek, and it's the most annoying thing in the world, because when you have like this beautiful highlight, your glasses don't want to ruin it. But I do have big cheekbones, and they are real. If you guys meet my mother, she has like the same cheekbones as me, I promise. Okay, so I'm just taking these out lightly. They're so pretty, look. And they're like kind of like brown, soft black. They kind of crisscross at each other. Let me just start off thanking every single person that has known me as Von Dolce. I know it's just a subject that I never really like to touch. And it's not because I'm ashamed of it or I just forgot about it. It's just, I was just like this Asian boy, always half naked, wanted attention. And I've always had like this feminine side where I love feminine boys that are so powerful and just doesn't care what people think about them, because I think at that time, Von Dolce was just like this feminine boy that loves bags and makeup and, you know, just lived a fabulous life. So like I have a little trick. I mean, I think everyone really much does this, but for anyone that has like a soft flat eye or an awkward eye shape like me, I like to kind of slant my eye just a little bit, and then do you see that little space like right underneath? I kind of like to fill that in with like black liner. So it kind of gives like the illusion of a really, you know, like you kind of have like a big eye, but you kind of don't. Oh my God, whoever invented eyelashes was just freaking amazing. And I'm just gonna fill in the underneath the lashes like black, so it just kind of looks like you did set it on your eyelash line, but you didn't really do it. All right, you guys, my eyeshadow's done. I love it. Blue and green, Spotlight, Sugarpill, love. It's beautiful. I feel like so angelic and soft. And to go with a soft eye, you know, I love red and dark black lips. So today I'm gonna use this Trinket Matte and Sparkle. Oh my God, the packaging is so cute. It's like this really soft nude pink. You guys, this feels so good. It feels like velvety, like, I don't know, it doesn't feel so like on your lip. So my plans for Kimora, do drag. I want to be able to do drag for the rest of my life. Like I just kind of go with the flow and live day by day and just make sure every single day you do something that's gonna benefit you later. All right, you guys, so I'm getting in drag and show you guys the last of the last look. Y'all really thought I was gonna walk out the door like this, all crazy looking? I'm gonna put on a costume and I'm gonna show you guys what the final look is. Hey you guys, so this is the final look. I love it. I feel so just pin up and pretty and light and just fairy-like and gorgeous, and I'm so excited that we're able to share this together of just trying new colors and things. I actually really like it because you can see my lashes more. I've never just wore one pair of lashes my entire life. I'm Kimora Blac. Thank you so much for tuning in with me. Subscribe to Sugarpill. See all the wonderful makeup and tutorials, you guys. It is fabulous. I love it, and I'm just so happy that I can carry Sugarpill with me everywhere I go. You can find me at Kimora Blac on Instagram. I love you guys so much. Wear makeup, look gorgeous. Let's look gorgeous together. Love you guys. Mwah!